Yeah.
Done.
Good. Very nice. Happy now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. So we are left with one more. I just want to have a look once. Can you just turn around? Just this we've done. The lower. You see the jawline now. We've enhanced the jawline. Very nice. It's jawline. You see?
That's very nice.
Shall we?
Aziz.
Yes, this and this side. This side we still have to do the upper part. Lower we've done. The upper one we'll do now. Very nice. Perfect. Okay, Vinod, you'll do. Then we'll put the cannula for everywhere. Okay.
The disengaged one?
Yes. This. Yes. So, Angie, you're comfortable?
Yeah.
Very comfortable? Enjoying? Relaxing? Okay. Shivam, comfortable?
Yeah.
Good? Good case?
Yeah.
Naseeb also is confident now?
Yes,
yes? Although this was a little tougher case?
Yeah.
Yes. Shilpa is happy with the... Okay, perfect. All right.